This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. Updated 2-bedroom/1 bath end unit in Marchwood. This unit boasts nearly 900 square feet. Features ceramic tile floors throughout, faux wood blinds, granite countertops, a fully equipped kitchen, laundry closet with washer/dryer, and 2 parking spaces. One of the bedrooms features a spacious walk-in closet and access to a fully fenced backyard with a covered patio and storage. This unit backs directly up to Forest Park, where you'll find basketball courts, soccer fields, a picnic area, and an off-leash dog park. Marchwood features a community pool and is less than a mile away from all the shopping and dining that Butler Plaza, Butler North, and Celebration Pointe has to offer. It is directly on the bus route and biking distance to UF. Don't miss out on this superb deal. It won't last long. Schedule a showing today. $60 application fee per person over the age of 18. $60 guarantor fee, if applicable. $225 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. $500 non-refundable pet fee per year. 1 pet only, no more than 25 pounds. For more information, review the details below.